In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate fiscal quarters from a fiscal date in Power BI. This process is invaluable when managing business data to ensure that you have a clear understanding of your fiscal periods. Whether you're an analyst preparing quarterly reports or a business manager looking to align your data with your fiscal calendar, this tutorial will guide you through the steps necessary to achieve that. We'll start by opening Power BI. This is your go-to tool for data visualization and business analytics, and I'm sure you're a bit familiar if you're tuning in. Once Power BI fires up and you're at the main interface, we'll direct our attention to the Home tab. This is where you manage much of your data creation and configuration, so it's useful to get accustomed to navigating around here. Next, in the Home tab, you need to click on New Measure. Creating a new measure is essential because it allows us to define any custom calculations, the fiscal quarters in this case, that aren't already present in our datasets. This step is fundamental as it sets the stage for tailoring your data analysis to meet specific business needs, such as aligning with your company's financial timeline. Now, with the new measure panel open, you'll type the necessary DAX code. It's crucial to ensure precision when entering this because even a small typo could lead to errors or unexpected results. This code precisely calculates which fiscal quarter any given date falls into. Not only does this help in aligning your sales, revenues, or expenses data with fiscal periods, but it also makes sure your analysis matches your business reporting cycles. If you're concerned about getting the code right, don't hesitate to spend a bit of time cross-referencing with your desired fiscal calendar. This ensures accuracy and consistency in your reports. Once the code is entered and processed, Power BI will create a measure that you can now use across your reports. It will allow you to slice and dice your data by these fiscal quarters, offering valuable insights at a glance. You'll see analytics become more relevant and actionable because they adhere to the real-world rhythms of your organization. While we wrap up, remember, the advantage of using Power BI is that it empowers you to take control of your data and shape it in ways that are immediately beneficial for your business outcomes. As you embed this new measure in your reports, note how your visualizations and insights improve, truly reflecting the operational cycles you manage or study. With this newly acquired skill, you're well on your way to making more informed decisions that leverage the power of precise fiscal analysis. Thank you for watching, and I hope this session helps demystify some of the intricacies of Power BI for you. Keep practicing and exploring all that Power BI has to offer, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.